Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Dropbox Smart Sync to save storage and time. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Dropbox Smart Sync, first, make sure you have the Dropbox application installed on your computer. Open the Dropbox application. Log into your Dropbox account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the Dropbox folder on your computer. Right-click on the file or folder you want to set to Smart Sync. From the context menu, hover over the Smart Sync option. Select Local if you want to keep the file or folder on your device. Choose Online Only if you want to save storage space. When you select Online Only, the files will be removed from your local storage but remain accessible in your Dropbox account. You can identify online-only files by their cloud icon. If you need to access an online-only file, simply double-click on it. The file will download to your computer for use. To switch back to local, right-click the file again and choose Smart Sync, then select Local. To view and modify Smart Sync settings, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the Dropbox app. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, go to the Sync tab. Here, you can manage your syncing options. Make sure Smart Sync is enabled to use this feature effectively. Close the Preferences window once you have made your adjustments. With Smart Sync set up, you can enjoy efficient storage management and quick access to your files. Now you can work more effectively, saving both time and storage space with Dropbox Smart Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.